Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Today I am going to show you guys how to set the scale in Autocad. So open your drawing. Now make the page setup. Switch off the grid mode. And I'll switch on the ortho mode. Now I'll set the units. I'll be drawing my drawings in meters. Press OK. Okay, now for example, draw a rectangle of 2 by 2. Enter the value as 2. Tab, press 2 again and press enter. See guys, so much small my rectangle is, as I have not set the limits of my page, so that happened. Okay, now let me give the dimension. I will set my dimension. See here guys. Now I have a rectangle of 2 by 2. If you guys want to double this rectangle, then select the rectangle, then press scale, scale, and press enter. Now specify any base point like this, here or here, anywhere guys. Now enter the value that how much times you want to double your rectangle. Now you want to double your rectangle, so I will be pressing 2 and enter. Now it has become 4. See here guys. If you want to make it 10 times bigger, okay, assume it. Press scale and press enter. Now select any base point. Now you want to double it 10 times, then press 10 and press enter. Now the scale is, see here guys, it must be 40. Yes, it's 40, like this guys. Now you guys want to reduce this rectangle by 4 times. Assume it. You can select the scale here also. After selecting the object, scale, specify the base point. Now you want to reduce it 4 times smaller. So what's the value of 1 divided by 4? The object divided by 4. You must divide 40 by 4. That means 1 divided by 4. What is the value of 1 divided by 4? That's 0.25. So enter 0.25 and press enter. The rectangle is reduced 4 times. See guys, it was 40, now it's 10. That's it about the scale guys. I will be explaining you about the reference in the next video guys. So that's it about the scale. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos updates. Thank you guys.